Good morning, students. Today, our topic of discussion is animals. Animals are the wonderful, beautiful creature created by God. Just like human being, they also need use the available resources for their survival. There is a wide variety of animals all around the world. Beta, in your previous classes, you have read about few of the you have already read about few of the animals like cow, cat, dog, horse, elephant. So these are the animals which you must have seen also around you. So here in this video we'll try to get some more information about animals. So animals are classified into few groups. So first one is wild animals. So wild animals are those animals which are not domesticated. Domesticated means जिनको हम पालते नहीं हैं. The animals which live in the forest. So वो animals जो जंगल में रहते हैं, those are known as wild animals. अभी बच्चे you can well understand if they live in jungle, तो that means they must be very dangerous. So wild animals बहुत dangerous होते हैं जो commonly आपको अपने आसपास नज़र नहीं आते हैं. So here I am going to share few examples of wild animals. So let's read with me. Tiger, monkey, zebra, deer, fox, kangaroo, gorilla, wolf, bear, lion. So these are some wild animals, the animals that lives in forest. So next category है बेटा domestic animals. Domestic animals basically are those animals that are domesticated and adapted to live alongside humans. That means these are those animals which lives with us. That means they are not that dangerous. वो animals जिनको हम अपने साथ रखते हैं और क्यों रखते हैं? To get some or the other thing from these animals. ये animals वो animals हैं जिनसे हमें कुछ ना कुछ मिलता है, right? अब examples, let's do few examples of domestic animals. Cat, dog, cow, sheep, goat, rabbit, ox, donkey, pig, and horse. So these are the domestic animals which lives with us. हम इनको पालते हैं इनसे कोई ना कोई चीज़ लेने के लिए, right? And बेटा third category is pet animals. Pet animals are those animals which we keep with us for amusement, for entertainment purposes, like, right? So we what are the pet animals? Examples are, all of you I think know the answer of this question. Dog, cat, parrot, fish, turtle, rabbit, horse, duck. So these are the animals who are known as pet animals, right? We keep it with us because we like them, we love them, we enjoy the company of these animals. That is why हम इन animals को अपने घर पे रखते हैं, right? So beta, these were few wild animals, domestic animals, and pet animals. So beta, although we have categorized animals into three different groups, that is wild animals, domestic animals, and pet animals. But yes, there is one important fact that you all need to know. That is, there are few animals that maybe in nature they are wild, but it can be domesticated by some people. And on the other hand, there is suppose one animal which can be domesticated, but people are keeping it for as a pet animal. Let me clear this with one or two examples. कुछ animals बेटा ऐसे होते हैं like elephant. Elephant एक wild animal है, but you must have seen elephant roaming around in your streets of the cities, or maybe your villages, some of the villages also, with 3 or 4 people. Abhi, why they are keeping domesticating elephant? Just because to earn money out of it. वो rides देते हैं बच्चों को elephant पे, and in turn they charge money. So here elephant is a wild animal, but it is domesticated by some people to earn money. On the other hand, see horse. Horse, it can be a business for somebody, buying and selling. कोई घोड़े जो है, horses जो है, बेचने और खरीदने के लिए भी रख सकता है. And at the same time, there can be some people who loves to have horses. उनको riding पसंद है, इसलिए उन्होंने उसे अपने pet की तरह रखा हुआ है, right? So ये important, this is one important thing that you need to know. So that's all for today's topic, that is animals. Thank you.